Hello everyone and welcome back to another video from Crazy Gamer. In this video, I'm going to show you how to log out from your account on Gamespot. So let's get started right away. Now if you haven't logged out from your account on Gamespot within any device, then open up the web browser within which you have not logged out first. After opening it up, type in gamespot.com in the address bar and then press enter. This will now take you into the Gamespot official website. Now since you have not logged out from your account, you will directly be taken into your profile dashboard from which you will be able to go through the feeds. Now if you wish to log out, just click on your account icon at the top right corner and you will see the logout button at the very bottom. Go ahead and click on this, and now this will log you out from your Gamespot account right away. If you wish to log back in, you can click on the account icon at the top right and then proceed forward with your social accounts or your email address and password in order to log back in. And there you have it. That is how easy it is to log out from your account on Gamespot. If you find this video helpful, make sure you hit that like button and subscribe to our channel if you haven't done so already. Also ring that notification bell to never miss another update from us. Thank you for watching and I will see you again in the next video.